Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving straight into how to use Trello's sequential due dates. This is a feature that can help you stay on top of your tasks, ensuring you never miss a deadline. So let's start. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Trello account. Once there, open your board and find the card you wish to assign a sequential due date to. Click on the card to open it. The reason we do this is because all the card details, including the due date, are adjusted from within the card's details page. Now that we've done that, you'll see a due date option on the right side of the card details. Click on it. Here's where the magic happens. This is where you can set up your due dates in a sequential manner, allowing you to keep track of your tasks and deadlines more efficiently. After clicking on due date, a calendar will pop up. Select your start date first. This is the date when the task is to commence. Next, you'll need to set the end date, which is when the task should be completed. This helps us because it gives us a clear timeline for when a task starts and when it should be completed. One thing to bear in mind, Trello doesn't automatically set sequential due dates. You'll have to set each one manually. This might seem like a bit of work, but remember, the payoff is a well-organized workflow that keeps you on top of your tasks. Finally, once you're done setting the dates, don't forget to click Save. You'll now see your due dates listed in sequential order on the card. That's it. You've now successfully set up sequential due dates in Trello. This small yet powerful feature can make a big difference in managing your tasks and staying productive. And that's where we wrap things up for today. Remember, the key to using Trello's sequential due dates effectively is keeping your tasks well organized. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay productive.